Still use blue yarn to crochet the legs. First, 6 magic rings. For detailed instructions on starting the stitch, please refer to the needle manual or scan the QR code in the upper right corner to watch the instructional video. Make a mark button with the first stitch. Then crochet the remaining 5 single crochets on this circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tighten the yarn. The second round is 6 increases. A total of 12 stitches. Insert the needle from the position of the mark button just now. Make another single crochet in the same stitch to complete an increase. Then make 5 increases. First make 3 single crochets in the third round. Still make a mark button with the first stitch. Next are 5 back loop only. This V-shaped. Only crochet the inside half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 4 normal single crochets. Then make 4 to 6 rounds according to the instructions. Each round is 12 singles crochet. After the last stitch is crocheted, wrap the yarn through the loop on the hook. Leave a 10-inch length and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn end through the loop and tighten it. On the third loop, I have done 5 back loop only crochets. There are 5 stitches left here. Now we will crochet the toes on these 5 loops. First, turn this side towards you. Find the first stitch. Put the hook through. Take out the black yarn. Wrap the yarn and pull it over to form a black loop on the hook. Make a chain. Make a half double crochet. Wrap the hook around the thread and pass the loop through the next stitch. Pull the yarn out. Form 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn and pull it through 3 loops at a time. A half double crochet is completed. In the next stitch, first, make a slip stitch, a chain, make a half double crochet, then in the next stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain. Do a medium long stitch in the last stitch. The toe is done. Wind the yarn through the loop on the hook. After cutting the yarn, pull yarn end through and tighten it, deal with the yarn end and fill it inside. A leg is done. Use the same method to make another one.